morning I want to share from the book of Nehemiah. I want to kind of go in depth in what I saw the last time I was here at the prayer meeting, the 12 gates. In Nehemiah chapter 3, we saw where they started to build the gates, but the prelude to that was what was done, or what Nehemiah saw in chapter 2 from verse 11 to the end. That after arriving from Jerusalem, Nehemiah surveyed the kind of work that was needed to be done. And what we have to understand is that he didn't immediately started to build the walls, but he inspected the work that was supposed to be done. Jerusalem was laid waste. The city of God, the city of righteousness and peace, the city of the great king, the place where his name was in shambles. The place where the people gather to worship was in a fractured state, desolate state. And Nehemiah had to inspect the work in order to restore. To rebuild anything, we cannot just start building or rebuilding. We have to inspect. We have to find where the weak places are.